Hello, my name is Gérardine Goh Escolar. I am Adjunct Associate Professor of Law at the National University of Singapore. Today, I will speak about the international law relating to space activities and the protection of the Earth and outer space environments. Carl Sagan wrote, "The Earth is the only world known so far to harbour life. There is nowhere else, at least in the near future, to which our species could migrate. Visit, yes. Settle, not yet. Like it or not, for the moment, the Earth is where we make our stand. We have only one planet from which we conduct space activities and all other human activities. There is no planet B. Today, I would like to discuss space activities and the international law relating to the environmental protection of the Earth and outer space.